What's going on, guys? Chad here from MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're doing a walkthrough video on our Sea Ray SDX 250. I'm sitting on the transom here. First thing you're going to notice is black Mercury 250 outboard. Ties in nice with the color scheme of the boat. The hull's Sea Ray blue. You have their dune interior. You have dune sea decking across the back, which leads into the infinity woven vinyl. Really nice navy blue, black, and brown color scheme throughout this boat. We have this big lounger in the aft area on the port side. Lift up this hatch. It'll give you access to your batteries and battery switches. Very nicely laid out right when you step onto the boat. It can be the first thing you go to. You have a freshwater sprayer back here, a holder if you want to put a flag out, cup holders, as well as a phone charger back here. Very nice. If you're pulled up to the sandbar, have an area to lounge out, charge your phone, have a place to put your drinks. On the starboard side, lift this up for you. You have your boarding ladder. As you walk in, you have freshwater fill here, storage compartment here with 2 gas springs, which is really nice. Help support that hatch. If you have any pets, you can close off this gate here. Helps keep them inside the cockpit area of the boat. Moving forward, you have the L-shaped seat over on the port, another seat over on the starboard. Behind the seats, they have cup holders, as well as this rubber non-skid material, which will help keep your phone from bouncing around or whatever you have tucked back there. I really like how they have the cup holders right behind where you're sitting. Really, no matter where you're sitting on this boat, you're gonna have some sort of cup holder near you. It's a great entertaining feature. Underneath where you're sitting, you have these grab railings. You have courtesy lights all throughout the boat. One here. As you're coming down the boat on the steps, you have them. And as you work your way up to the front, moving forward to the helm, you have a bolstered seat. It's in the up position right now. You can also put this down for some more leg room. This boat's equipped with Simrad electronics, Lenco trim tabs. You have your Mercury throttle, easily accessible over here on the starboard side. This has the push to start and stop, as well as active trim. More cup holders, as I mentioned previously. Another thing I wanted to point out is the speakers throughout the boat. They're Fusion speakers. You have your Fusion control over on the port side. Right over here. Another dash area up here with more of that rubber non-skid, as well as a little dry compartment. I like how they added this in places where that normally wouldn't be on past models. It's a really good update that they've made. Now, over on the starboard side, just forward of the helm, you have the head area, which you can also dub as a little cabin. If you want to tuck the kids out of the sun, get them down there for a nap. Moving forward, on the port side, you have the storage compartment here, dedicated spot for your 360 white light. Really like how they did that. That's a lockable compartment as well. Moving up to the best part of the boat, the bow area. Plenty of seating up here. As you can see, I'm just under 6 feet tall myself. I have plenty of leg space. The gunnels are deep up here, helps you feel secure. You have a great view up in the front. There's also a filler that can go in this area where my legs are right now to make this one big sun pad. More Fusion speakers up here, as well as multiple cup holders and grab railings. In the forward hatch here, lift this open. Dedicated spot for your anchor. You also have a freshwater sprayer here for when you haul your anchor and you can spray it off. Really well thought out by Sea Ray. If you want to come see this boat, come by MarineMax Jupiter and ask for Chad.